Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maan Fashion. How are you? I hope you're all fine and doing well and enjoying your life with your family and friends and also me. I'm also good, perfect, alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you most beautiful and most attractive collection women crochet blouses designs, very stylish and branded collection, and handmade it also. Knitting collection, mostly girls are and also women like this crochet collection, and they make this collection on your hands because this is a knitting collection. Very amazing, stylish and adorable collection, crochet blouses designs. So my dearest friend, if you're watching first time my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Maan Fashion and press bell icon. When you press bell icon, you will get notifications all of my videos, my tips and my ideas and all over things. And if you want to buy, then please AliExpress and Amazon. And if you want to get many more ideas, then please visit my channel Maan Fashion and websites. When you go websites, you can see many more ideas, many more attractive collection, and many more collections and many more products from there. So guys, I hope you will like this video and you can wear these blouses designs okay at home, because these are net collection and summer season collections. So I hope you will like this video. So my dearest friend, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Till then, take care of yourself and please pray for me also in your good prayers. Goodbye and take care. Allah Hafiz.